apply a brightness contrast adjustment. Apply a brightness and contrast adjustment. How to apply the brightness or contrast adjustment? By the way, the brightness and contrast adjustment lets you make simple adjustments to the tonal range of the image, and moving the brightness slider to the right increases tonal values and expands image highlights, and to the left decreases values and expands shadows. The contrast sliders expands or shrinks the overall range of tonal values in the image, by the way. And in normal mode, brightness or contrast applies proportionate nonlinear adjustments to the image layer, and as with levels and curves adjustments, when use legacy is selected, brightness or contrast simply shifts all pixels values higher or lower, and when adjusting brightness since this can cause clipping or loss of image detail in highlight or shadow areas, and using brightness or contrast in legacy mode is not recommended for photographic images, by the way, but can be useful for editing masks or or scientific imagery. And do not be careful here now. Use legacy is automatically selected when editing brightness or contrast adjustment layers created with previous versions of Photoshop. And be sure to do one of the following. Be sure to click the brightness or contrast icon in the adjustment panel. After that, choose layer and choose new adjustment layer. Then select brightness or contrast. Then click OK in the new layer dialog box. Note and be careful. You can also choose image and adjustment and brightness or contrast, but keep in mind that this method, by the way, makes direct adjustments to the image layer and discard image information. Step number 2. In the properties panel, drag the sliders to adjust the brightness and contrast, and dragging to the left decreases the level, and dragging to the right increases it. And the number at the right of each slider reflects the brightness or contrast value, by the way, and the values can range from minus 150 to plus 150 for brightness, and minus 50 to plus 100 for contrast.